welcome to Some Things Cooking with Alpa, and today I'm going to show you a very unique and delicious recipe of bread. You can serve it as breakfast or even as a party starter. So now let's begin our process. So guys, for this recipe I have taken one entire loaf of bread, and now let's start by removing the edges, the surface of the bread. So starting with this side, I'm going to start removing the edges of the bread. There we go. So guys, you can simply use this slice of bread as you would use any other slice of bread, or you can store it and use it to make breadcrumbs. I'm now simply going to remove all of the edges of the bread, and I'll show you once I'm there. And guys, if you do like my recipe, please do subscribe and click on the bell icon to be first to watch my future videos, and it's free. So why wait? And now let's proceed. So now guys, as you can see, my bread is now ready. Now let's cut it into half. So we got two halves, and now let's flip and cut this into half again. And now we have 4 pieces, and I'm going to take disposable ice cream sticks and push it in the center of these bread. There you go. So the same way I'm going to put the rest of the sticks in these 3 breads. And our bread are now ready, so now let's keep that aside. And now I'm going to take a large mixing bowl. To that I'm going to add 1 cup of rava, which is suji or semolina. To that I'm going to add 1/4 cup of dahi, which is curd, about 2 tablespoons. And I'm going to mix everything in. Once everything is mixed in, I'm going to start adding little water as required. The batter needs to be thick but soft. If it becomes runny, then add a little bit more rava. Once you have reached the right consistency, then cover the bowl and keep it aside for the next 5 to 10 minutes. So after 5 to 10 minutes, let's uncover the rava bowl and let's start adding some finely chopped veggies. So I'm going to start adding about 1 tablespoon of each of these veggies, starting with the onions, followed by carrots, then the yellow capsicum, followed by the green capsicum, and of course the red capsicum as well. Then I'm also going to add about 1 green chili and 1 tablespoon of dhania, which is cilantro. And now let's add a pinch of Kashmiri red chili powder for the color, a pinch of turmeric powder, which is haldi, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and salt as per your taste. And now let's mix everything in. And once everything is nicely mixed in, I'm going to start applying this batter on the surface of the bread lollipop. And guys, you might notice that I'm just applying on the 3 sides of this bread lollipop, because the 4th side I will apply once it is on the griddle. And now the griddle is hot, so I'm going to add some butter, and once the butter has melted one by one, I'm going to place our bread lollipop upside down. So the batter facing should be down on the pan or the griddle, and the 4th side where I did not apply the batter, this is the time when I'm going to do so. So apply generous amount of the batter right now, and then we are going to cook all 4 sides till the time they start looking golden brown in color. And once the bread lollipops are nice and golden in color, it's time to take them out. And guys, our bread lollipop has turned out really amazing. Just look at it. Imagine making it for your kids or for a birthday party or just for your friends. It's going to be a hit. So guys, what do you think? Our bread lollipop recipe has turned out absolutely delicious, and I just cannot resist it. So I have to dig in. Guys, I cannot take my eyes off it because it's just looking so beautiful. It's like a art piece, you know. Do make it. Do let me know what you think about it. And guys, if you do like my recipes, don't forget to subscribe. If you like this recipe, you're definitely going to like this one, as well as this one. So do click on these links and I will see you very, very soon. Meanwhile, you take care. Bye-bye.